So I help people through their, frankly, a lot of the time, most difficult times of their lives. They'll be involved in serious incidents, accidents, they'll be hurt, they'll be lost about where to go. A lot of the time, completely unaware about the benefits that they are entitled to through the insurance that they've paid for their whole lives. And so we help them navigate those issues by explaining to them the process, by explaining to them the options that they have to seek out to make sure that they are recovering from the injuries that they've sustained and that they get the financial stability that they deserve and that they are entitled to. I think my favorite thing about practicing law is telling stories, frankly, because when we're in litigation, that's what I think it ultimately comes down to, is telling your client's story to either a judge or, in the case of a jury, 6 people who don't know them. And you have a limited amount of time to tell their story and to convince them or to compel the trier of fact, the decision maker, that your client has a just case and that they're entitled to the results that you're looking for. There is a lot of strategy that goes into a lawsuit, and not every lawsuit has a winner and a loser. Uh, Most cases settle. 98% of cases settle, and so it's about using your training, your education, your sense of the story that you need to tell to reach a conclusion that benefits your clients, that is frankly mutually beneficial a lot of the time, because people won't settle unless there is a degree of mutual benefit to everybody involved. But if it has to go to a hearing, and I love doing trials, I love doing hearings, then it's about telling a compelling story and winning. So there's a competitive element to it for sure, but that's probably why. That I'll be a fierce advocate for you. That what you hear from me one-on-one, I'm going to be, I think, explaining everything to you. I think I can educate people about the challenges that they face and the way that the system's going to work for them. But ultimately, when push comes to shove, you're going to get a fierce advocate and somebody who's going to push the boundaries for your case to make sure that we're getting the ultimate outcome that you deserve and that you pay us for. I think the challenge of a difficult case that you put a lot of effort into and you reach favorable conclusion, a winning conclusion on, there's no better feeling than that, than knowing that it was not an easy path forward, but knowing that the risk would be worth it. And then when you do ultimately achieve that outcome, that's a great feeling. I think I'm the ultimate beige flag. I don't know, my wife says that, so maybe that's a good thing. I'm sure there's quirks. I watch a lot of sports. I try and play a lot of sports. I love live music. I go to a lot of concerts. You can find me at the cottage sometimes, but usually trying to get out and about.
What's your favorite sports team?
The Green Bay Packers. Yeah. Otherwise, I'm a Leafs fan. I hate to admit that out loud.